I just got my hands on the retail Huawei Fit 5 Pro. Let's start the unboxing. The new Huawei Fit 5 Pro is priced at 2,100 yuan, which is a full 1,000 yuan more than the standard version of the device. Even the entry-level base model is quite pricey, sitting at 1,700 yuan, so we really have to ask ourselves if that extra premium is actually worth the cost. I happen to have the flagship Daxia orange model right here in my hands to show you today. All three of the available color options are truly unique, and the white version in particular feels just like high-end ceramic to the touch. I'm really impressed by the build quality. The Daxia orange version comes with a woven strap, making it feel lighter overall. The accessories are the same as the standard Fit 5. You get the user manual on one side and the matching wireless charger on the other, which is compatible with all Huawei watch series. Even though it's water resistant, it's worth reiterating that you should avoid wearing it in the shower, as it doesn't protect against water vapor. The build quality has been improved compared to the Fit 5, featuring a sapphire glass cover. Also, this glass cover features a 2.5D screen with slightly curved edges on all four sides, while the Fit 5 uses a standard glass cover. Additionally, the outer bezel is crafted from titanium and the frame is made of aerospace-grade alloy. The standard Fit 5 doesn't have a bezel, and its frame is also made of an alloy. For this Daxia orange colorway, the frame has a bronze tint, and overall, it looks really stunning. Looking at the bezel, there's an orange ring. Huawei calls this an oil filling process, which should improve durability, and it looks quite good overall. On the right, you'll find the crown and buttons. Comparing it to the standard version, you'll notice this button now integrates an ECG function, which is one of the key upgrades for the Pro model. Moving to the sensor array on the back, it features an all-new sensor system. As you can see, the Fit 5 lacks this system, though the number of sensors is roughly the same. Compared to the Pro version, it likely only lacks a body temperature sensor, with most other aspects being quite similar. Additionally, the material of the sensor cover on the back seems different. The standard version lightly uses a regular plastic cover, while this one appears to be glass or ceramic, providing better light transmission. Regarding the strap compatibility that many of you have been asking about, you can see that they are interchangeable. Now let's compare the weight of the devices themselves. This is the Fit 5 Pro, which weighs 30.4 grams, and this is the standard Fit 5, which is 27.5 grams, a difference of about 3 grams. This sunset orange version features a nylon woven strap, and the buckle is made of metal, matching the light gold color of the frame. The overall size of the watch is slightly larger than the standard Fit 5, but not by much. Let me put it on for you so you can see how it looks. The overall appearance is quite similar to the standard Fit 5, though if you look closely, it does look a bit more premium. It's already been activated, so you can see the default wallpaper here. Let's take a look at the bezel design. It's an improvement over the standard Fit 5, but it's not exactly stunning. It looks like it has uniform bezels on all four sides. Why don't we go ahead and switch over to a much lighter, more minimalist watch face design? Now, the Fit 5 bezels are noticeably thicker, but the underlying system logic remains exactly the same as the previous model. Some of the extra features included are dedicated golf tracking, ECG heart monitoring, and skin temperature sensing capabilities. Aside from those few specific differences, everything else about the device is completely identical to what you are used to. Actually, the standard Fit 5 is already a very strong performer this year, and it looks great too. Plus, at its current price of 700 to 800 yuan, I honestly really recommend it. But this one is 1,700. What exactly are you getting for that extra 1,000 yuan? Better body materials. In terms of health monitoring, it adds an ECG function. The Pro version also introduces blood glucose and coronary heart disease research, though the accuracy of these algorithms remains to be seen. Additionally, it features a full function sensor system, including body temperature detection and a brand new sleep monitoring system. The screen is larger at 1.92 inches compared to 1.82 inches on this one, and the overall watch face is slightly bigger as well. Aside from these points, everything else is basically the same as the standard Fit 5. Do you think the 1,000 yuan price difference is worth it? Personally, I think it's worth waiting a bit. I feel like a price gap of around 500 yuan would be acceptable. However, if you're buying it for the looks, well, watches are a major accessory after all. The Fit 5 Pro definitely has a premium feel especially in white and orange. I think those two colors are really great. If you're buying it for the aesthetics, you definitely can't go wrong. Alright, that's it for today's quick unboxing. If you have any other questions about these two watches, feel free to chat in the comments or follow and DM me. No problem at all. If you haven't followed yet, please hit that follow button to support a self-funded reviewer.